Hello dear students, in today's video we will be solving questions from the lesson Reflection of Light from Class 9 Science textbook. So let's start. Class 9 Science, lesson number 11, Reflection of Light. Exercise. Question 1. Answer the following questions. Sub-question 1. Explain the difference between a plane mirror, a concave mirror and a convex mirror with respect to the type and size of the images produced. Answer is on the next slide. Answer is given directly. Sub-question 2. Describe the positions of the source of light with respect to a concave mirror in 1. Torchlight 2. Projector lamp 3. Floodlight. Answer. Point 1. Torchlight, the source of light is placed at the focus. Point 2. Projector lamp, the source of light is placed at the center of curvature. Point 3. Floodlight, the source of light is placed just beyond the center of curvature. Sub-question 3. Why are concave mirrors used in solar devices? Answer. Point 1. Solar devices like solar cooker or solar water heater use solar energy to cook food or heat water. Point 2. When sun rays fall on the concave mirror, they converge and come together in the focal plane. Point 3. Due to convergence, the intensity of sun rays increases and the food or water is heated faster. Hence, concave mirrors are used in solar devices. Sub-question 4. Why are the mirrors fitted on the outside of cars convex? Answer. Point 1. A convex mirror is used as rearview mirror because they form erect, virtual, and diminished images. Point 2. This allows the driver to view a large area in a small mirror. Sub-question 5. Why does obtaining the image of the sun on a paper with the help of a concave mirror burn the paper? Answer. Point 1. When sun rays fall on the concave mirror, they converge and come together in the focal plane. Point 2. Due to convergence, the intensity of sun rays increases. Point 3. Hence, image of the sun on a paper with the help of a concave mirror burn the paper. Sub-question 6. If a spherical mirror breaks, what type of mirrors are the individual pieces? Answer. Point 1. When a spherical mirror breaks into smaller pieces, the radius of curvature and focal length does not change. Point 2. Hence, it will continue to behave like a spherical mirror only. Question 2. What sign conventions are used for reflection from a spherical mirror? Answer is given directly and continuation of the answer is on the next slide. According to the Cartesian sign convention, the pole of the mirror is taken as the origin. The principal axis is taken as the x-axis of the frame of reference. The sign conventions are as follows. Point 1. The object is always kept on the left of the mirror. All distances parallel to the principal axis are measured from the pole of the mirror. Point 2. All distances measured towards the right of the pole are taken to be positive, while those measured towards the left are taken to be negative. Point 3. Distance measured vertically upwards from the principal axis are taken to be positive. Continuation of the answer is on the next slide. Point 4. Distance measured vertically downwards from the principal axis are taken to be negative. Point 5. The focal length of a concave mirror is negative while that of a convex mirror is positive. Question 3. Draw ray diagrams for the cases of images obtained in concave mirrors as described in the table on page 122. Answer is on the next slide. One. Object between pole and focus. Continuation of the answer is on the next slide. Two. Object at focus. Continuation of the answer is on the next slide. 3. Object at center of curvature. Continuation of the answer is on the next slide. Four. Object at infinity. Continuation of the answer is on the next slide. Five. Object beyond center of curvature. Question 4. Which type of mirrors are used in the following? Periscope, floodlights, shaving mirror, kaleidoscope, street lights, headlamps of a car. Answer. Periscope, plane mirror, floodlights, concave mirror, shaving mirror, concave mirror, kaleidoscope, plane mirror, street lights, convex mirror, headlamps of car, concave mirror. Question 5. Solve the following examples. Sub-question 1. An object of height 7 cm is kept at a distance of 25 cm in front of a concave mirror. The focal length of the mirror is 15 cm. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be kept so as to get a clear image? What will be the size and nature of the image? Answer is given directly and continuation of the answer is on the next slide. Continuation of the answer is on the next slide. Continuation of the answer is on the next slide. Continuation of the answer is on the next slide. Continuation of the answer is on the next slide. Sub-question 2. A convex mirror has a focal length of 18 centimeters. The image of an object kept in front of the mirror is half the height of the object. What is the distance of the object from the mirror? Answer is given directly and continuation of the answer is on the next slide. Continuation of the answer is on the next slide. Continuation of the answer is on the next slide. Continuation of the answer is on the next slide. Sub-question 3. A 10 cm long stick is kept horizontally in front of the concave mirror having focal length of 10 cm in such a way that the end of the stick closest to the pole is at a distance of 20 cm. What will be the length of the image? Answer is given directly and continuation of the answer is on the next slide. Continuation of the answer is on the next slide. Continuation of the answer is on the next slide. Continuation of the answer is on the next slide. Continuation of the answer is on the next slide. Question 6. 3 mirrors are created from a single sphere. Which of the following pole, center of curvature, radius of curvature, principal axis will be common to them and which will not be common? Answer. Point 1. Center of curvature and radius of curvature will be common for all 3 pieces. Point 2. Pole and principal axis will not be common.
Great video. Mom,
Yes.
I found the good channel for study.
Great. Like the video. Share it to your school friends. Subscribe to it. But what's the channel's name?
Wings of Fire Academy.